this is Flat Renovation Update, day 56. Let's take a look around and see what has been done. So in the bathroom, we've got the box in over here, covering the pipes, as well as to block all the piping from behind the toilet. We've got the doors that are up over there and over there. And I think that's about it over here. They're doing some finishing touches on the door still, I think tomorrow. And a few more little touch-ups around the place, but basically this stage of the renovation seems to be done. Still need to get a handle put on over there, but it's really been a long process, but we are getting there. Thank you to everyone who has been watching this journey so far.